All right, concept number 3, writing a transform radical function is our last concept. And this is very similar to what we've been doing all first semester. You're going to write a new rule given a transformation. So number 7 says, let the graph be a horizontal shrink by a factor of 6, followed by a transformation 3 units to the left of the graph of f of x equals the cubed root of x. And that's our standard parent function. And then we're going to write a new rule for g. But because it says followed, right, I'm going to make it 2 steps. So I'm going to start with the first step, h of x. And this is a horizontal shrink by a factor of 1/6. Now again, horizontal is always counterintuitive, so it's opposite the way you think. And in that, it is f of 6, the reciprocal of 1/6, x. Alright, so all this horizontal is going to go inside the parentheses, alright, not out in front, and then kind of counterintuitive to your normal thought process. So now for this, I'm just going to replace x with 6x. So h of x equals the cubed root of, not x, but 6x this time. And there's the first part. Second part is now the transformation 3 units left. Okay, and that's also horizontal, right? So now I'm going to go to that g of x, and it's going to be h of x plus 3. Okay, again, horizontal, shift 3 units left, and then since it's left, the counterintuitive part is actually plus 3 and not minus 3. And now I'm just going to replace x with x, the quantity of x plus 3. So g of x equals the cubed root of 6 times, now instead of x, the quantity of x plus 3. And now I look to simplify, and I can simplify in this case. So you must simplify. And what that is distributing that 6 to both the x and the 3. Alright, and here we go. G of x equals the cubed root of 6x plus 18. And voila, that is our answer. We are done. Okay. Number 8, I would like you to try. Give it your best go. I am going to show you the answer, so please pause now, work it out. Here you go. Okay, number 8 here, really. It's g of x equals the cubed root of 1/3 x minus 2 is the answer. Take a look at that, and that is the end of our note section.